today we're going to talk about area and perimeter. I have a task for you. The Children's Zoo is going to put in a new section. No, for bunnies. Doesn't it sound cute? Yes, but what they want are spaces for 18 people to look in at the same time. And they want a rectangle. So your job today as a class is going to be to make a rectangle that we can find out the area so we can get one that the zoo would like. All right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you each one of these. This is a space to look. Yes, Ava?
Is this true that they're making a new section?
You'll have to see, won't you? All right. So these are your spaces. Now, I'm going to put down a couple spaces that can't move or can only move a little because a couple kids aren't here today. All right? So they want 18 spaces, but we don't have 18 people at the moment. All right? So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give it to you, and then without any talking or just whispering, let's see if we can make a rectangle. Okay? Tell me about a rectangle. What's a rectangle have?
4 sides.
4 sides. What else?
4 angles, 4 lines.
4 angles. What kind of angles? Right angles. I love it. Right angles. All right? Are you ready?
Yes.
Remember, just whispers. You ready? All right.
Over there.
Right here.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Go. See if you can figure it out. Oh, wait. Here, can you two put 2 down? 2. Nope, that's it. Okay, go. We need a rectangle. 1 big rectangle. 1 big rectangle. Oh, we got all sorts of space.
2.
Now, do my sides have to touch? Think about it.
Well, how are people going to get in?
We're going to stand on the outside and look in. Nope, just one. Maybe next time I'll give you 2, okay? No fussing. I'll have too many. No, I'll have too many if I give you 2.
This is a square.
Okay. But wait, we still have some pieces. They're not all in yet.
Yeah, I got one.
We have some holes too.
This is a square.
It is? Oh, is that a rectangle if we have an angle?
No.
Oh, we gotta fix it. What are we gonna do?
Maybe open it up.
That's right.
Make more sides. Take this one. Yeah. Make it up. Take this. Make it bigger.
Talk to your.
Maybe we could like take it longer. Take this one. Maybe at the end. Oh, right. Bring it in more. Bring it in more, but make it longer that way. So like 3, and then like 3, and then start going down. Oh yeah. So we can start going rectangle. Guys, so only 3 going this way. Only 3 going this way, and then the rest is see if it works. Caleb, it's gonna fail. That's what I'm doing.
Wait. But we have 2 standing out here. So what do we have to do?
Make them 4. Make them 4, and then make them
Corners.
That's up to you. You guys decide.
Now try. There. That's a little bit better. That's a big square. There's gonna be one more over here. I got it. Yeah. Oh. That one goes right there. Take it out.
Are you happy?
Yep.
All right. So everybody sit in front of a space on the outside.
Get off me, Adrian.
Nice. James. Thank you. I love the way they all go the same way. All right. Come out and sit down, please. Excellent. You too, darling. On the outside.
That looks like a square.
Right there. All right. Does it look like a square? Okay, so let's look at this. Let's look at the length and the width. What is the length of our rectangle?
5.
5. What is the width of our rectangle?
4.
Okay, so we have a length of 5 and a width of 4. Okay, here comes the, let's talk about the perimeter. Yeah. What's a perimeter?
9. Both sides.
Here's what we're going to do. You know what? Let's talk about it. Okay, I have another question for you. I see you did it. What kind of corners do we have again? Right. Okay, so if I do this, we're going to do, what's that?
Square.
That's a square. Yeah, it's not, thank you for making that, James. Okay, so it's a square. Jordan, sorry. How many squares will fit in here?
4.
Oh. So here's what I'm going to do. Wait. I'm going to give you a buddy. Sit. All right. I'm going to give you a buddy. And what I want you to do is I want you and your buddy to figure out what's the perimeter and see if you can figure out what's the area. Okay? Then we're going to come back and talk about it. You ready? Fufu and Dominic? Wait, where's Dominic? There it is. Jordan and Alexis?
Right here.
Where's my friend Jordan? There. Autumn and Ahmed?
Divinity
Chance and Ashley?
Divinity and
Oh, Divinity and Matthew went with it. There's you.
everybody's like almost next to each other.
That is amazing. Adrian, Xavier, Caleb and Jason,
I gotta go write it down. Sorry. Oh God.
and Giovanni and Ava. Okay, so find us. That's it. Figure it out. So how many? What's our perimeter going to be? What's our area? You and your partner, you've got 2 minutes. Okay, so what's our perimeter? Write it down. How do you know? What'd you do?
Okay, so
No, you didn't. You did what?
so we know the
You had to
length is
guess?
5.
Or can you count them?
Count
See if that's right. Just write it anywhere you want. You can draw a picture. Whatever helps you figure it out.
Okay,
Okay, so write it on there.
we don't have a picture.
Please go get one for me. It's beautiful. Are you sure? How do you know? Can you write down? Ah. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody stop. All right. Everybody come back. Sit. Okay, so let's look at what we did. Sit. Let's look. Okay, because we have some different answers here. So, Dominic, what did you guys get for the perimeter?
18.
18. How'd you get that?
We counted around the circle.
You counted around the circle. Okay. All right. Ahmed, what'd you guys get for area? How did you get that? Loud.
5 is the length and then 4 is the width, so 5 times 4 is 20.
5 times 4 is 20. Did anybody get a different way? Ava?
No.
You got the same way? What else could I do? Oh, yes, Ashley.
What?
Alexis. It's all the A names. I'm sorry.
We got 18.
You got 18 for the perimeter? Because Jordan walked it for you?
Yes.
Yes, you did. All right. So let's do this. Let's do this. What if I do this? Can I do this to find out the area?
Yes.
What happens when I do this?
You're gonna run out of squares.
I will run out of squares. But what happens when I do this? I'm making what? It does make counting easier, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's one row of 5 squares, and then what will I have right here?
Another row of 5 squares.
Another row of 5 squares. What will I have right here?
Another row of 5 squares.
And what will I have right here?
Another row of 5 squares.
So then I can count by 5, can't I?
5, 10, 20, 20.
So my area is going to be 20 what?
20 squares.
20 squares. I love that. Thank you. All right. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to pick up my pieces. And now, nope, you hold on to your piece.
Okay.
All right. And now, can we make a rectangle that is a different size?
Yes.
A different size. It still has to have the same perimeter, but can we make it a different size?
How many do you need?
No, how can we make it a different size? Let's go.
Okay,
let's go.
Longer this side. Shorter this side.
Everybody in. Figure it out. Well, go talk to them. Oh dear. Ahmed, can I have one of yours, please? Thanks.
Maybe 6. So maybe we can do 3 right there and 6 right here. No. You have 4 going this way, and then this way. No, 5 going this way.
Yeah. What was 20? What did we make on the floor? The squares. Those were. What's the difference between perimeter and area, Ava? So we'll talk about that in just a minute. That's okay. We'll talk about it. All right.
Oh, that's what. It's too small. I need to make it lighter.
A little bit.
Gotta make it like longer.
Longer or wider?
Can we come off the carpet?
Yes.
Yeah.
We have to. Make it.
We're making a rectangle,
Going off the carpet.
but we want a different rectangle than we had before.
Going off the carpet apparently.
Divinity, no feet, please. But we,
Some people still have babies.
okay, so let's get them all in there.
What? So you all will help.
How can we make this work?
Yes. Like that. First one was 8 down, right? There.
All right, everybody sit on the outside. You have something here. Let's see. Let's check.
Oh, wow.
All right,
Rectangle.
it is a rectangle. Are you sure?
Yes.
Why?
Rectangle.
Why, Jordan? Why? Put your
corner.
Sit down, please. It does have 4 corners. What else?
Caleb. 4 sides.
It has 4 sides. What else? What sides are all its angles? Do you remember what we called those?
5.
Ashley, what do we call those corners? What kind of angles are those? Right angles. Okay? But what else is true about a rectangle that you didn't say before?
One side's longer, one side's shorter.
It could be. One side could be longer, one side could be shorter. But there's something else. What about my ends? What do they have to be? Alexis?
Equal.
They do have to be the same length. That is true. Okay? And my other 2 sides have to be the same. Okay, put your bottoms down, please. All right. So let's look at this one. Are you sitting by your partner?
Yes. No.
Quick, sit by your partner for me. Okay, so let's talk about this rectangle. You ready?
I got 2.
Okay. Ahmed, where's your partner, babe? Okay. Whoa, we have a problem. Jordan still has 2 in his hand. What are we going to do? Okay,
Like
so solve
one
that.
over there and one over there here.
Jordan, come on. We have to.
So, right here. So, right here. I can do it.
Okay.
I'm in here. Okay, then I'm going to go there. I don't know.
Okay, Ashley. It's okay.
I don't know what to do.
Jordan. It's all right. All right. So now let's see, how wide is this?
It's not working.
What's our length? Wide?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Doesn't work?
No, it's fine.
I don't know. They're having an issue down here. They said it's not working.
How's the truth?
All right. So what is the length this time?
6. Okay.
It's what? 6. What's the width?
3, 4. 3.
Okay. So up here on our chart, we're going to put 6,